it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I have a haul to share with you. I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you for joining me. And what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up a few items. Of course, I bought my regular stuff like some awesome cleaner I love, and my dish soap I like. And I got some wax paper and parchment paper, which I use all the time. And that takes care of that bag, except for some little mini glue sticks. And I'll get to that in a minute. What else? Oh, I got these doilies because they're not only good for serving things on, you know, pretty cookies, cake, pie, whatever, but they're great to decorate cards with and for paper projects. So for $1, you get 32 total, all different sizes. Sizes are 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. You get 4 different sizes, 8 of each. And so I got the glue gun. Got these adorable thank you cards because they have shells on them. I love those from Hallmark Express. Beautiful, beautiful little shells. And some glue sticks. That was out of glue sticks. Or almost out of glue sticks, I should say. I'm going to put them right down there where they belong. And let's see. Oh, I got some photo paper. 6 sheets for $1. You cannot beat that. And actually, I don't really need the big sheets. I'm just going to cut it into maybe 4 for each sheet. So that'd be 24 sheets for paint skins. And I got a couple Halloween things. Not much. I got these adorable, they're called stickers. They're little, actually they're wood. Pieces of wood that you can paint. And they're little maple leaves and pumpkins for $1. And they had the little sticky thing on the back, which I thought was a really cute idea. And they had a Halloween stencil. Can you believe that? It actually has, let's see, does it show? It has, I'll try to see if you can see these. It has the kitty cats with the grave, and an owl, and a haunted house with a witch, and another kitty cat, it looks like, with, or yeah, cat and a crow. Looks like a grave marker. And I think that's it. Oh, the moon. And I'm not sure. It looks like a witch's broom. Anyway, it's really cute. I like the owl. Did I show you the owl? Owl's cute. Cute, cute, cute owl. With the bats up there. Anyway, that's a lot of stencils for $1. I'm glad I found that. And I got this, which is great for doing mixed media art. And I'm not using it for Halloween at all. Not that I can think of. And it's just like the mummy would have. That kind of material. But it would work good with some kind of media. Art media. So I grabbed that. And all my other normal stuff I grabbed for $1 that I use. I got my little cups with the lids. It's 12-pack or 10-pack for $1 with the little lids for my leftover paints. And I got another 2-pack of these. They still had a few left before they took them out of the stores for fall. So I got a couple big ones, 2 for $1. I didn't see any more of these left that I got recently, about, I don't know, a month ago maybe. Those are nice to have too. And I grabbed me another sanding block. We have a, let's see, medium and a fine grit, which is really great when you're resining things. And I needed some more of my small 9-inch cups because I seem to use them more than the others. What else do I got? Is that it? I think we're just about there. Yeah, it was not a big haul. I grabbed these 3, and it was the last 3. I actually went into a Dollar Tree that is not real close to my house. It's close to the house that I used to have. And I had to go over that way for a doctor's appointment, so I just stopped into that Dollar Tree because it's bigger. And they had 3 of these colors of eyeshadow left. What I like about them is they're loose eyeshadow, so you can use them in resin. And I've actually, now Brittany just recently bought that palette that she, Brittany from Everyday Art with Brittany Guttner just bought that palette, and I had seen a video maybe, I don't know, 4 or 6 months ago about someone that took her own eyeshadows that she didn't use anymore. As long as they were like the metallic-y, sparkly kind, they worked really well. She had to crunch them up, but they worked really well in her resin. So when I saw these 3 colors, this is like a mauve, a pink color. I don't know if you can see that. This one is more of a brownish, and they're all metallic-y. And this is more of almost a goldish color. It says honeysuckle. It's a light color. But I figured I'd give them a go. For $1 each, you can't go wrong there. As for my resin, and I guess that would be it for my Dollar Tree haul. But as far as things that I need for my art. Anyway, thanks for joining me. This is just a quick little video to show you what I picked up. I'll talk to you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.